Okay, in this tutorial I'll show you how to open a GitHub file in Microsoft Visual Studio. So first of all, you will need to have downloaded Microsoft Visual Studio, and the link will be in the description below. So let's use this blog called Hello World, and all we will do is update the readme.md file and we'll say hello down here. So to do that, click on Code and then open with Visual Studio, which will only appear once you've installed Microsoft Visual Studio. Then you'll get this window, and depending on what's happened, you may get all sorts of funny things happen. So if you've done this before, you'll get this error that says the local path is not valid. So what we'll try and do is click on GitHub, and we'll find that repository and try open. Now if you've got this front window on large screen expanded, you may just see it spin, think, and then do nothing. So it's spinning, it's thinking, and in the background, as you can see, it's opening up the files. But if you've got this expanded, that's all you'll see. You'll think, oh no, it's not doing anything. So what you got to do is just shrink that down, close it off, and there it is. So if you come over here and click on README, it's still spinning for some reason. In a moment, let's double click on README, and that's opening the file. And the Marty says hi again and again. Ooh, it hasn't updated properly. Anyway, let's well, 'cause that's the one before, not this one. Isn't that interesting? Let's close this down. Let's open up Microsoft. Let's open up that. Let's open up C drive, users, Fishworks, source, repos, hello world, readme. What's readme got? So in a text file, so I'm just opening up the readme file somewhere else. Yeah, so look at this, look at this. So in the readme it's got and again, so it's different. Dun dun dun. So I don't know what's going on there. Anyway, let's just close that off. Don't know why that would say that. Says hi again. Okay, so let's just write something really witty here so we can. Marty was here. That's what we used to say back in the 90s. Okay, now to commit that, we go over here and we write enter a message. This is just a message to the administrator of the GitHub. You just say Marty left the message. Then what we do is we commit all and we save. That's committing and saving. So it's one outgoing. And then what we do, we sync. So we hit it once, it does nothing. Hit it a second time and it starts syncing. So you can see it's doing all its syncing here. Conflict, merge failed, fix conflicts, then commit the results. So there you go, it says Marty was here again. So it's picked up that conflict and given me an error message, whatever that means. Open up merge editor, let's try this. I've never been here before. Okay, I don't know what all this is doing. Okay, taking, coming. Wow, this is really it's almost, I'm really new to this. He says hi. Show can accept merge. Pull completed with complex main conflict. Enter a message. change, let's just write changes, commit stage, 2 outgoing. Let's try sync again. And we've updated from main to main. So if we go back to our main, we won't sit yet, we hit refresh. Hi again and again. If we look back at our Visual Studio Code, that's what we've got. Okay, so we're back to normal. So we're back to normal. So Marty says hi again and again, which is what our GitHub shows. So we're now in sync with our GitHub. So let's write something else. So let's write Marty was here. Marty was here. Leave a message. Marty was here. We'll now commit that. Save it. 1 outgoing, 0 incoming. We do a push. Pulling and pushing the current branch. So down here we'll see that, and it's gone to main. So if we go back to the main folder now, we won't see that updated yet. So now we hit refresh on the website, and Marty was here, and there you go. So really, there's a couple of bugs when you first load the file into Visual Studio, but once you're there, make sure you do a commit first, and then do your push pull, and then it will update. Anyway, give it a crack. Let me know how it goes for you. Thanks. See ya. And the links are in the code below.